Hi friends, in my video today I am going to talk about something that affects all of us in our lives and something we constantly face day to day in our life. All of us are suffering because of some problems or have suffered and are still suffering, or none of us can say what kind of suffering we will face in the future. No matter how many problems you have in your life, did you know all those problems fall into two categories? Yes, basically we can divide all the problems in anyone's life into two categories in this universe. The problems we face in this universe exist as two parts, physical and mental. You have to accept that, right? Okay? Each of these issues brings sadness into our lives. You have nothing strange to explain. You know what physical pain is. Any discomfort to your body due to illness or any other cause of physical injuries to your body can cause you physical pain. Most of the time we have to seek treatment from a doctor to cure the physical pain that has arisen. I am not going to explain that physical pain here. Since anyone can have any kind of physical pain, the doctor will give the right treatment for the pain of it. Therefore, we cannot explain beyond the doctor's solution. In today's video, I will share some important facts about mental pains. Before going ahead, if you watched the first time or still didn't subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell button. After watching this video, if you think these explanations are important or have something to say, please share your valuable comment, like and share this video to benefit others. Let's go to where I explain. Now, you know what's the physical pain. It all feels to your body, then you know you have physical pain. But mental pain is totally different from physical pain. With physical pain, mental pain also arises at the same time. Physical pain is there. If our mind is not properly controlled to some extent, we will not be able to bear the mental pain or physical pain. If they can't control it, that is why many of them suffer for a lot of time. We need to look closely at how this mental pain occurs, why we can control it at once and not at another time. Some mental pain caused by certain physical problems can be controlled somehow. The most severe mental pain is when we suffer from mental pain without any physical issues or illness. When you are in a severe mental pain, think about which point you actually suffered the most. Take a good look at your mental pain situation. Now, listen carefully, one time, two times, or more times, listen carefully. Mental pain is caused when an object, person, or process that we like does not happen the way we want it to, or does not happen the way we expect it to, or how powerfully we are mentally attached to it or not. That is the reason we are suffering mental pain. May I repeat it again? Mental pain is caused when an object, person, or process that we like does not happen the way we want it to, or does not happen the way we expect it to, or how powerfully we are mentally attached to it or not. That is the reason we are suffering a mental pain. I think you can understand what I am going to explain, how mental anguish occurs. I can give some examples to prove this. Consider when you are in love, you live happily. Why is that? What you want, what you expect in your mind, your partner does everything you want. When you want to talk, when you want to meet, it all happens the way you think or want. Whatever you want, the moment you hint at it, they are all pretty much fulfilled. But what happens to your mind if there is any anger or resentment between you and your partner? Now things are not going the way you want or think. What you want will not get it. What you want to expect will not get it. Or the way you want not expect gets it. The more you love, the more you feel pain now. Think about yourself. Go back and look at your romantic past. How much mental anguish you felt at such a time. Even now, if you do not fulfill the desire, there is definitely mental anguish because you have a mental bond. That's how mental anguish occurs when it does not happen the way you think. Your mind is so tightly bound. In this way, you can apply so many examples to your life. If each of those times brought you mental anguish because all those hadn't fulfilled. So, the power of attachment is creating our mental pain. If we can release the power of mental attachment, mental pain will also be released depending on the extent of the release. That is the reason people suffered a lot at the funeral, but as time passes, the pain will get back to normal because the power of mental attachment gets released when time goes. Then we can come to the main point. So, what's that? If we can totally release the power of mental attachment, then we don't have any mental pain. Did the point get into your mind? Do you agree with me? You can't be without agreeing with me. That's why it is said our mind is the root of everything. The mind is the cause of all the problems in the universe. That is why meditation or mindfulness is so prevalent today among most people of many religious as well as activities. So, if you can control your mind to some extent, you can gradually get rid of a lot of your mental problems. So, the reason is the power of mental attachment. You must improve the way of your mind to release your mental attachment. In this video, I want to show the point of this power of mental attachment. You cannot at once release your power of mental attachment. For that, there are certain ways, points to follow to the starting, middle and end stages are there. I hope to share a video about all those things as I have learned through my wisdom as help from my religion teachers. I think you may have got what you want to get from this video. Still you didn't subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell button to enable notification to receive the important video like this. Please give a valuable comment, like and to give benefits to others, share this video. Thank you for watching.